I'm going to be talking about the project talking scale. The project helps visually impaired or blind workers with the activity of making packages by quantities, and it supports 3 languages, which are Hebrew, Russian, and Arabic. So it can be useful, for example, for factories that hire such workers, and it can help them with their job. The members of the team that worked on the project are Kamel, Param, and Sami. This project is a continuation from previous semesters, and our job was to improve it. One of the things we did is we made it talk much faster. Let's look at an example from how it was before and now.
33.
It was really slow and had gaps between the words.
33. 33.
Now it's much faster and better.
33.
Now, another thing we did is we made a local storage. That way, even if there's no Wi-Fi, the worker can still work on the project. Here we'll look at how the project will try to connect to a Wi-Fi for 10 seconds, and after that, it will search for the worker in its local storage. Once it finds it, it will print his name.
ברוכים הבאים למערכת. Aid scale. הערך.
It printed the name Karam, the name of the worker. Another thing we did is we added a lot of states so the project can talk and help the workers know what's going on. If it's waiting for something, what they need to do. Let's look at an example.
מתחבר לאינטרנט. תשים את כרטיס העובד. מתחבר למידע העובד.
It tells him when to put the tag and what's going on, what it's waiting for. Make it comfortable working on the project. We rewrote the whole code and split it into different classes. For example, we have audio, Firestar, and if we look, for example, in the audio, we'll see it has the functions related to the audio. We did this to make it comfortable working on the project. Another thing to make it convenient is we switch from working on Arduino to platform.io in Visual Studio Code. It uploads and the code much faster, and it's much better to work on. Thank you for watching.